Bangladesh to manufacture new assault rifles locally. The BDO-8 assault rifle manufactured at the Bangladesh Ordnance Factories (BOF) will be gradually reflaced. The Army has looked into both 7.62 by 39 mm and 5.56 mm calibres weapons. It has obtained G36 SCAR LAKA-15, M-16A4 and MPT 76 for evaluation purposes from their respective manufacturers. The winner of the contract will have to provide a complete manufacturing line for making 15.000 assault rifles annually in a single shift. They are required to provide a complete transfer of technology to the Bangladesh Ordnance Factories (BOF) in line with the contract. There is a prefence for a family of weapons such as assault rifle, light machine gun and DMR, but it is not a requirement. The rifles would be used for the purposes of the Bangladesh Armed Forces but may also be distributed to other government agencies of Bangladesh and exported if required. It appears more likely that Bangladesh Army will adopt a Western rifle. It already used MP5, G3 HK11 and HK21 from Germany, and BOF manufactures 7.62 by 51 mm NATO rounds since the 1980s alongside G3 rifles now ceased. Replacement of the BDO-8 assault rifle family may take up to a decade given their wide usage in military. The rifles would be kept as reserve weapons even if withdrawn from frontline service.